Hi guys, welcome back to SSBeauty's YouTube channel. Today we've gathered 5 unique makeup hacks for you guys which you probably haven't tried before. These hacks are quick, easy and perfect for making your everyday routine a little bit simpler. So let's just dive in. My first step will be primer. I'm gonna use L'Oreal's Infallible Lasting Primer. After you've primed your face with the primer, take a translucent powder. Lightly dust this translucent powder all over your face. This will mattify your face and make your makeup long lasting. Now we have a DIY tinted moisturizer hack. If you prefer a light coverage but still want to even out your skin tone, mix your foundation with a little bit of moisturizer. This DIY tinted moisturizer is very lightweight and is perfect for everyday no makeup look. Next we have a concealer hack. If your concealer tends to crease a lot, this hack is perfect for you. What you're going to do is you're going to take a setting spray. First you spray some setting spray on your concealer brush. Then you apply your concealer like usual. Blend it with the same brush. Then you set it with the same setting spray. This will lock your concealer and make sure it doesn't move throughout the day. Firstly, you take your contour stick, you place it right here till your eye ends. Then you take your cream blush and you place it upwards for a lifted look. And then you just blend it out. This gives your face an illusion of high and lifted cheekbones. And now I'm going to apply my lip balm. And then you apply a light layer of translucent powder on top of your lip balm. And then you apply your lipstick. This hack will make your lipstick last all day long. And there you have it, 5 easy and unique makeup hacks to freshen up your daily makeup routine. Which one are you excited to try first? Let me know in the comments down below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!